Welcome back, guys. We made it through the holidays. Somehow, I'm not exactly sure how it happened, but we made it through the holidays. We're good. The brewery is still standing, and a lot of things have happened at the brewery, so we're excited to share those things with you. But as always, a beer.
Yes, a beer.
Cheers.
So this is a new old school IPA. We'll talk about this more at the end, but we need a beer.
Generous pour.
Cheers.
All right. It's been about a month since we last checked in with everybody, so we were kind of talking beforehand. Probably going to be easiest or best to kind of walk through things chronologically for us and for you guys. So first off, this actually happened kind of the same day that we threw our last video up online. We got a sign.
Yep.
So we have a nice lighted sign out front. I'm sure if you guys have been following along, you've seen pictures of it and so forth. We're really excited about the sign.
Yep.
We had the privilege of working with 3M a little bit to try to get some of the vinyl and so forth with the 3M, so thanks to them.
And Outlet Sign, they did a nice job.
Thanks to Outlet Sign. They came right in here and installed it on a, not a good day. Not a good day.
We've had a lot of that so far.
Yeah, it's been a winter. I guess the next chronological order piece would be the door.
We have the roll-up in for summer, which you guys will see here in a second.
Hopefully the weather will turn eventually and we can actually open up the door and you know, patio, etc. Moving on, I think the next piece chronologically would be the brew system, which you see behind us right now. Shawn and Josh for sure did all of the legwork on getting this brew system down here, and Shawn in particular was here unloading it. You can tell us a little bit about that.
It was highly stressful, highly stressful. 2 forklifts would be better for any of you budding brewery starters out there. 2 forklifts would be better than 1. We did a nice job now. Everybody did a great job. Dan and his crew came in and we worked it out. It was a good day. Super exciting. Like one of the best days of building the brewery, actually. To see like what's going to be here. Like we got it all off the trucks, no damage. So this is our craft work 10 barrel, and yeah, we're gonna have tons of shots of this. But we're super excited. Best day of the build out of the brewery for me personally. So, really,
I think you guys only had one hiccup, right? You ran out of propane on,
yep.
on the 1 fork truck that we had. So,
yeah.
But luckily that was on the last piece, so no issues. It's all here safe. This is not where it's going to be long term. This is just staging right now, and then we're going to move it into the brewery proper once we get that part of the building done. Again, chronologically,
Lots of drywall got done and insulation. Lots of drywall.
So you guys can see now around. This is the most, we keep shooting right by the most exciting part of the brewery, but proper bar here, and then this is storage closet and the bathroom and so forth. But that's all framed in, and 99% of the way drywall, paint and so forth will go up there soon.
Yeah.
And then I think the last piece that's happened since we last checked in was we have heat.
I have a t-shirt on, so it's not cold like the last video.
It's balmy in here.
Yep. 68.
which considering the temperature outside is
nice.
was a pleasant. I was trying to think about how we might try to pretend that it was warm in here, but it's warm, so
we have water to the brewery.
Yeah, we have water, so we
have all the utilities are in. Big deal. Talk a little bit about the beer.
The new school, old school,
new school, old school IPA. Okay. So this is a test batch that we did. It has it's a traditional grist. So it's got a lot of two-row, and then it has crystal in it. So that would be a traditional IPA that you would think of probably 5-8 years ago. So you get some sweetness, and then it's fairly bitter, but it's not crazy bitter. So that's the new starting the new school part. So it's kind of a soft bitterness. Again, it's darker like an old school IPA, but then it's got a lot of the lupulin powder in it. So we did a double dry hop with the lupulin powder. It's very aromatic. It is some of the classic hops with some new hops. So we got a nice mixture of the hop character in here. We got some Galaxy in here, which is the magic hop, and then we have also Cascade. So I don't know a lot of people that's done this, but we're working on that. So this just gives you a little insight on our recipe development that we're working on. Aaron, this is a first tasting of this.
It is, yeah.
So
it ironically
and it's not hazy, so that's definitely the old school part.
Not, despite our best efforts on the drive down here.
Double dry hop and shook up in the growler, it's still clear.
Yeah. Color-wise, so I think you hit. So I think not the first beer that we brewed together, maybe the second beer that we brewed together. I was at work one day and just kind of came up with a double IPA recipe, which was for sure by today's standards an old school recipe. We drank a lot of that beer.
Yeah, we did.
But the color is almost exactly the same. It's maybe just a tinge lighter, which makes sense. I mean, it's a single, I assume.
Yep.
The nose on it's great. I'm kind of a little sad that we weren't drinking this earlier. But great beer. Hopefully one that makes it on the rotation.
This will be in there. Yeah, it'll be in there. Cheers. So we'll be back in a couple weeks. Stay tuned.